Understanding probate in New York. Probate is the process when a person passes away with an asset in their name and they have a will. So the surviving executor, surviving family member has to take the original will along with a probate petition and file that in the surrogate's court. And the court may ask for additional information, additional documentation. And once that process is completed, which will be several months to a better part of a year to a little over a year, sometimes two, the probate process can be long and drawn out, especially in this post-COVID world. But at the end of that process, of the probate process, letters testamentary are issued, and that confers the authority on the executor to marshal assets and take the steps in the will. Then after you marshal, the executor marshals, all the assets are gathered up, placed into an estate account, and then the steps that are in the will, the directions, that's when the executor has to follow. If you have more than $50,000 and real property, you have to do a probate. If you have under $50,000, even if you have a will, you might be able to do a voluntary administration. It's a little bit of an abbreviated process. Nothing takes that quick, how should I say that? Nothing in the law is ever that quick. However, we try to file things expeditiously as possible, truncate that process whenever possible. The alternative is to maybe avoid probate through the use of beneficiary designations, revocable or irrevocable. Take a look at your estate, what you may need, what has to be done, and see what the best options are for you. FrankBrunoLaw.com.